all hear about the express entry, yeah, that you have seen in our Facebook page. Okay, everything will be clarified today. It will be clear in your mind, so we prepare all of your questions as much as you can. It will be a benefit for everyone. Maybe someone is shy to ask, so ask many questions as you can after the explanation about who we are and what is the express all about. And it will be started by Mr. Namir. My name is Isario and this is Mr. Namir. Okay? So, but before the question and answering portion, let us introduce you our company and what will be the program ongoing right now. Okay, Mr. Namir, please.
Very good afternoon, folks. I am Namir Asif. He is Cesario. We are working as an immigration consultant in North American Service Center. And today we will describe and we will brief about our organization, about our company, and the immigration program, how does it work, and the express entry program, which has been introduced by the Canadian Immigration Department. So first, if I explain you about the company, our company actually has been established in 1986. So we are here from the last 28, 29 years. We have a very much experienced and defined team in terms of immigration knowledge. And we are having 28 years of experience in this particular international immigration industry. And we have 6 active branches in UAE to provide our services in a very systematic and efficient manner to all over the UAE. If I talk about the branches, we have a branch in Dera, then we have a head office in Jumeirah, then we have a branch in Sharjah, Alain, Fujairah, then we have an office in Abu Dhabi. We served around 11,000 clients over the period of time. We have served around 11,000 clients over the period of time, and last year is our best year actually. We have served around 250 permanent resident visas to our clients. And I suggest you please visit our Facebook page. Once you visit our Facebook page, you will get all the necessary updates about the express entry program, about the immigration to different industries, and about the latest knowledge and information. And we have around 500,000 of fan following on Facebook. And if you visit our website, you will get to know that we have hundreds of testimonials of our successful clients. So you can see the experiences, the interactions, what our clients has been done to us in terms of our services, in terms of our guidance, information and knowledge. And they obtained their permanent resident visas as well. Now if I talk about the services, that what we will do for you is starting from, first of all we will launch your profile. That is the foremost and mandatory thing. And it's a very typical and sophisticated procedure. So we will launch your profile under express entry. This is the immigration program which has been introduced by the Immigration Department of Canada. So once we launch your profile, it will take another 6 to 9 months to get your permanent resident visas. This is the foremost and mandatory thing. Then after, we are providing some post-landing services as well. Means inshallah, most of them you will start your application today or after some time with our prospective organization. Once you get your permanent resident visa, after that it will make you scary that it's a new country, that you need to fly, you don't know anything about the country. So we are providing the services that is known as post-landing services, in which we will assist you or we will guide you how to get the accommodation in Canada or even the reasonable accommodation. How to open a bank account, how to obtain the licenses like driving license, and other important services which we are providing in terms of our post-landing services. We will start circulating your CVs to our respectable contacts and networks. But because we have a very good amount of contacts with the direct Canadian companies and recruiters, because our owner of the company is originally belongs from Canada. And apart from this, we got Pan Arab Excellence Award twice in 2015. And we serve our services for Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Portugal, Cyprus, Dominica, and business investors for the US. Now I will explain, or I will throw some light about the immigration. How does immigration works actually? Actually, immigration is purely based on quota system. Quota means how many immigrants any particular country is inviting. So you can say that if the quota system is open, you can start your prospective applications towards the immigration to the several countries. If the quota is closed, you need to wait to reopening of that new quota. But the good news is the Immigration Department of Canada has came up with the new quota and with the new program, which is known as Express Entry. And by the name itself you can judge, it's a very fast track program in which you might receive your permanent resident visa within a time frame of 6 to 9 months. Actually, previously we have another programs which is known as Federal Skilled Workers Program. Once we launched the profile of our several clients under Federal Skilled Workers Program, it takes around 1 to 2 years to get the response from the Canadian government side. But now it's just a game of 6 to 9 months to get the response from the Canadian government side. So these are the benefits of this Express Entry. And please take note, it's an open job category program. So anyone can apply from different educational backgrounds. Previously we have a list of skilled workers of around 20 to 25 skilled workers only. Let's say they put it down into the list that they want doctors, nurses, engineers. If you are into the list, you can start your application for the immigration. If you are not into the list, you cannot start your application. But that program has been created a very huge amount of backlogs because for example, if sir have a company in Canada, so they want employees starting from the lower level, then middle level, then top level. But in the skill list workers, we have a list of skilled workers starting from middle segment and top segment. So it created a very huge amount of scarcity of human resource. So now they came up with this open job category program, so anyone can apply from different educational backgrounds. So these are the benefits of Express Entry, and they have a very huge quota, a very nice quota. They are inviting 305,000 immigrants under this Express Entry program. I think it is around 280,000 immigrants what they are inviting, but since 1 month back they updated the quota. And once you be in the pool of Express Entry, it is like a big pool. So your profile become accessible in the first time of history of immigration of Canada in the eyes of federal government, provinces and the direct Canadian companies. So there are a lot of chances actually to obtain a respectable job profile in different corporates, industries and companies, or get a nomination from any of the programs to work in that particular province. So these are the benefits of this Express Entry, and nowadays actually this immigration department has given some criteria so that we can analyze or judge your profiles that you are eligible for this Express Entry program or not. That's why you fill your assessment form. And these are, you have to be in the age bracket of 18 to 44, a paid job experience of 1 year, education up to high school, starting from high school, and the last one is IELTS. And basically there are two types of IELTS. One is academic and another one is general. And we just need the general. The Immigration Department of Canada just want the general one, and general one is the easiest one. So now Cesario will explain about other features of the program, the payment plan and other benefits.
Thank you so much, Mr. Okay, just to recap, okay, he talked about the old program and the new program. So you can notice the benefit of the latest program right now. Okay, in terms of the first questions that must be answered, which is who can submit the application, whether it's in the old system or in the new system, where every program has a rules and regulation. There is also a qualification that they need. Somehow in the old system, as he mentioned, it's very few only. It's well said that it created a huge number of backlog, or it creates a huge number of shortage of money. So they shut down the program. Luckily for those who are in the list, they can submit the application and they might have the permanent residence visa. But it's a few only. So this is the reason why they shut down all the program. They need to recover, especially the visitors who are investing in Canada. Because if you're one of the investors way back before, you will never refer Canada to invest. Why? You can even relax because you need to work for your company instead of just monitoring your profit. Because during that time, you can hire manager, assistant manager, supervisory level. Let's say you invest one supermarket. I don't think your manager will do the cashiering. And even you, if you hire a manager, you will do the rest of the job? Of course not. So they shut down the program, innovate it for better reason. Because they need to recover the reputation of the Canada. In the new system, it's the first time in the history that your profile will be seen by the direct employers, recruiters, provinces. The federal government is still there. But what does it mean? It means all of the candidates will have a high privilege to receive the job offer or a nomination by the provinces. It's the first time in the history. You might be part of it. Okay? This is no longer 2 years and 5 years application. This is a fast-track program. CIC wants to be processed within a period of 6 to 9 months only. Upon selection, it might be less than 6 months. Why? When you get the ITA or invitation to apply for your permanent residence visa, they will tell you, okay, do your medical and a police clearance to be submitted within 45 to 60 days. The next level is to apply for your visa. Okay? So you don't have to worry if you're applying here and you have planned to go for vacation or to transfer your job somewhere else. Because 45% of our clients stays outside this UAE. 10% inside the UAE, but I never seen them. We communicate through Skype. We communicate through email. How they pay us? Online payment, bank transfer, Western Union. Especially if you are a family person. Normally here, I could say, lucky if you have 2 days off. Right? But if you have only 1 day off, I could not say it's your day off. For me, it's your overtime. Why? You go home, let's say Thursday night, you will start preparing your clothes to be cleaned up in the morning. When you clean up in the morning, you are waiting for to make it dry while you are cleaning your area and preparing your food for lunch, maybe brunch. You don't even have time to eat for breakfast. So those are the things that it will be considered here. You don't have to waste your time coming over here just to submit your application. Personal data only. Just your neighbors doesn't have to do with your profile. So whatever profile or whatever documents you have in your hand, you just scan it and email back to the processing officers. Now, in order to become our client and to receive our services from E to Z, okay, you need to decide to hire our company officially by paying our professional fee. Okay? So, we will put your profile in the best scenario. Okay? However, we are not the one who will give you the visa. That's why it's services. Technically, you will buy the service. We don't sell job, we don't sell visa. But I want to remind you that part of our post-landing service is to refer your CVs to our connections in Canada. Speaking of CVs, at this moment I will give you a tip how to extend your chances to be selected. There is no restrictions to send your CV as much as you can to the Canadian job websites. It's free of charge. You never know. Think about the first day you entered UAE to find a job. I don't think you have given or passed your CV in one company only. Most of us, we attend even walk-in interviews. Right? So this is an application. Why don't you extend it? How? Send your CV as much as you can to the Canadian job websites. It's a modern decade now. There is no paperwork nowadays. Now, let's talk about our fee. Okay? You have given a